Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
My son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I know it's been a few days, but today we are back with a brand new video. If you are brand new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, probably gonna want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. And me, I like to keep it consistent. So please do me a favor, just hit that little notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Alright guys, you probably hear the fan. I'm not sure, but I had to put it on. It's so hot up here in the attic. It's really crazy. Plus I got all these lights on me. I'm sweating. Oh, but guess what guys? We're gonna jump right into it because today we actually got lucky. Yes, we did. We got the UNC toe, whatever they want to call these things. But we got these, they're on the way. They said estimated delivery date July 13th, I believe. They don't drop to the 22nd, so we're gonna have an early review for you guys. But yeah, I was at work. I thought it was at 11, then all of a sudden it switched to 2, and I got lucky. I went from my size to 11 and a half. They didn't sold out instantly. Then I just went and tried for the 10 and a half, and bam, you know, I got it. So I was super excited about that. So stay tuned for a review on that sneaker, because that is going to be coming in like a week or so. But today guys, we have a video for you. I have a bunch of Yeezys here. Now I'm not going to say I know what these are because I don't. We got 450s. I don't know what this is. We got 350s, but this is a V2. These are weird looking shoes. That one here. Then we also got some, what are these, foam runners, I believe? Yeah. Check these out real quick. These foam runners. I'll be honest with you, these aren't my shoes. I just wanted to check out the, Adidas and what they're doing. This is actually my neighbor Conrad's shoes. He picked up all 4 pairs of these, and he let me unbox them, here for you guys. I know this channel is really not a channel about this, but I figured I'd show you guys, give you guys some content. I'm gonna be honest, man. For us little guys over here, man, it's difficult to create content. Me, I like creating content with the sneaker in my hand. You know what I mean? It's very difficult to do that, especially the prices of everything, which is crazy. Okay, here we have another Yeezy 350. But this is a V1, I believe. No, this is a V2. So this is a V2. That's weird, man. I don't know. This one seems like the regular Yeezy. I don't know what this one is called. But I know it's the more popular one that just dropped here with that orange branding. Adidas had to get Kanye back on board. You know what I'm saying? Because the products just weren't going to sell if they don't have him on board, man. And even though I don't wear Yeezys, I just wear the 700 model to work. The Wave Runners, that was actually my favorite Yeezy ever, was the 700 Wave Runners. That's the only pair I actually wear to work. I actually got my son wearing a pair too, 700 V2s, I believe. There's so many different shoes, it's just difficult to keep in touch. But these are the 350 CMPCT. I have no idea what that is, but these are some weird looking shoes, man. Check these things out. And I don't know if you can, I guess you could wear them in summer, but these things are really quilted, man. These things are weird looking. You guys let me know in the comment section if you like any of these, man. Would you put any of these on? Do you rock Yeezys? Let me know, I want to hear about it. But yeah, man, huge shout out to Conrad. Thank you for the content. I truly appreciate it. Even though we don't do Yeezys over here, I figured let's do something different today on the channel. Even though we started off with the Jordan win. I'm excited about those. I like the, I like the way they look, the leather. And these, Conrad told me these 450s were made in Germany. They also have that sticker on the tissue paper. Mess it up. These are some weird looking shoes, man. I don't know what these are called, but these are some weird looking shoes, dude. Very, very weird. I could not see myself wearing these shoes. No way. Oh man, Conrad, I give it to you, dude. I really, really give it to you. I just can't see myself wearing these. I mean, not just because I don't like them. That doesn't mean you guys, shouldn't like them. I don't know. I'm just not, that type of guy. It is what it is. I guess I was born 1985. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you. The content is going to keep on coming. For right now, I'm going to try and drop at least 3 videos a week. It's summertime. It's hot. I'm working. I got kids. It's just a lot. But I'm going to try and keep it consistent, like I've always promised to do. And I want to keep it consistent because I love doing this with you guys. But guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in day out. I truly, truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.